So, ito lang yung usual breakfast namin. Usual breakfast. So, you can see the people there. See? Andito kami sa view ng people na nagsiswimming. So this one, hopefully masarap naman siya, no? I haven't eaten here, I think, or maybe in the past, yeah. But that's a long time ago, maybe. I'm not sure. Look, oh, he's swimming. Oh, he has mango shake. He bought himself a mango shake. Okay, I'm gonna eat na. Bye. So we're here kasi masakit yung likod ko. I think I have frozen shoulders. Siguro marami akong lamig-lamig sa katawan. So that's why I need to soak myself in water para mawala yung sakit ng katawan ko. Yeah, parang sa tingin ko lamig-lamig kasi yan eh. Okay, I have to go na. Bye!